Good morning, everyone. It's Big Mike. Today we're going to do some digging with the backhoe. We got to move a bunch of dirt in the front yard, and I have the keys to a John Deere big yellow backhoe. First, we have to put on our boots. We should wear rubber boots so we don't get our feet all dirty. Let me get mine. What? One boot? I have 2 feet. I'm going to have to wear a different pair of boots because I only can find one rubber boot. Let me see what I can get. Aha! There's 2 boots. I'll just wear these because we're working in sand, so maybe we really don't need the rubber boots. So I'll use these. Now what else do we need? Let me think. A hard hat. You can't be in a backhoe without a hard hat on. Let me see if I can find mine. Aha! A hard hat. This hard hat is yellow just like the backhoe, so we'll match. Let's go get it. Well, the first thing before you use a backhoe, you have to check the oil. We have to make sure the level is up, because if the oil is low, you can break the backhoe. We don't want to do that. In here is the motor compartment where you keep the oil. The dipstick is here. You open this up. The oil level is perfect. And we can now start the backhoe without hurting it because it has the right amount of oil in it. Close the door and we're ready to go. Oh, I better not forget to put my hard hat on. Gotta have that when we're running the backhoe. Well, we got the keys. We know there's plenty of fuel in the backhoe. Now it's time to get in and fire it up. Now that we've done all the checks, the backhoe's ready to go, we're gonna start it. Now the backhoe's running, we look at the gauges, we have plenty of gas on the gauge, and the parking brake is on. So we're gonna have to turn the parking brake off before we can put it in gear and move the backhoe so we can dig the hole where we wanna dig. Now that the parking brake's off, we're ready to put it in gear and move the backhoe over to where we're gonna dig. This is gonna be so much fun. All right, now this is what makes it go frontwards and backwards. So we're going to use this, put it in reverse, the big R, and we're going to back up so we can drive around to the digging spot. We'll see you over there. Now, before we start digging, we have to get the backhoe, has to put its legs down. The legs down will make it where it's nice and stable. In just a second, we're going to start the backhoe up, we're going to put the legs down, and we're going to start digging. What's that? I'm not sure what I saw over there. I think I found something in the dirt. Let me go check. Oh my God! My other boot! How did that get in this dirt? Well, at least I found my boot. We'll be able to wear them if it's wet and rainy out. Let's keep digging. What the heck? I think I found something else. I'm not sure what it is, but we're going to find out. What is this? Oh my God. I finally found Kate's umbrella. Oh my gosh, she's going to like this for when it rains. I can't believe it was in the dirt and it's still so clean. Oh, wonder what else I'm going to find in here. It's just crazy. There's so much stuff here that I never knew was here. I just can't believe it. I think I found something else. I just was digging all the dirt, dig, and I just hit something else. Who knows what it could be? What? This looks like a present. Get the dirt off it. It is a birthday present. Let's see, I think there's a name tag. The name tag says, Will. What is a birthday present for Will Judd doing in my yard, in the dirt where I was digging? Wow. I'm gonna have to send this to Will. Hopefully it makes it to his birthday on time. We'll see. Look. It says Will Judd. We gotta get this to the postman. Well, it's time to be done digging, so we're gonna take Will's present to the mailbox. We have to get it there today, so we make sure it gets to his birthday on time. And Will Judd, we found your present digging in the dirt. Well, I got Will's present. Good thing it's not too dirty. We're gonna put it in the mailbox. We make sure he gets it before his birthday. That's the day before Uncle Mike, Big Mike's birthday. So let's get it in the mail so it'll be there when it's time. There, put the flag up. All right, Will's present's gonna be going to Boston here really soon.